In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the square shape element quickly in Canva. Whether you're a graphic design novice or a seasoned professional, this task is easy and shouldn't take much of your time. By the end of this guide, you'll be confidently navigating the Canva interface to find and use square shapes in your projects with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to have your Canva account ready and opened. If you haven't signed up yet, simply visit the Canva website and create your account. Once you're logged in, open or create a new design. This can be a blank canvas or an existing template that you wish to modify. Now you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar. Among several options available, look for the one labelled Elements. Go ahead and click on Elements. This is your gateway to a wide variety of design features in Canva, from shapes and lines to illustrations and photos. After clicking on Elements, the next step is to find shapes specifically. To do this, locate the search bar within the Elements section. In this search bar, type the word shape. Once typed, you'll notice a myriad of shape options are presented below. Canva provides a substantial array of shapes, including circles, stars, and of course squares. But don't worry, we're concentrating on finding that perfect square. As the shapes populate in your Elements section, the next move is to make sure you see all the available options. Instead of scrolling through a limited list, find and click on See All. This option is typically located near the shape category title and will bring up a full gallery of shapes, allowing you to easily locate the square shape. Now that you've accessed all the shapes, you can find your square with minimal effort. Browse through the options, and once you spot the square shape you desire, it's a simple process of dragging and dropping it into your design. Click on the square you want, hold down your mouse or trackpad button, and drag it over to your canvas. Release the button and your square shape will drop into place on your design. Remember, you can adjust the size and color of your square to perfectly fit your design needs. To do this, click on the square shape in your design. You'll notice handles around the corners allowing you to resize, and the color palette options will let you modify its color to match your theme. And that's it. You've successfully located and used the square shape in Canva. This quick tutorial should have you customizing your designs in no time. Thank you for watching and happy designing.